Hi, hello. Today I'm going to explain something about electronic mail in a simple manner. The mail or post is a system for physically transporting postcards, letters, and parcels from one place to another. Email stands for electronic mail. That is, E stands for electronic. Electronic mail is a method of exchanging messages between people using electronic devices. Email was thus conceived as the electronic version of sending mail. Electronic, that is digital. Email operates across computer networks, primarily the internet. It is the most preferred means of communication because it is cheaper and faster. Today's email system are based on a store and forward model. Email server accepts, forward, deliver, and store messages. Neither the users nor their computers are required to be online simultaneously. They need to connect, typically to a mail server or a webmail interface, to send or receive messages or download it. Some of the examples of email service providers are Gmail, Yahoo, Microsoft Outlook, Zoho Mail, etc. There are two ways to write the email. One is formally and another one is informally. Formal mail. A formal mail is an email that you send to a person or group of people that you don't know, or an important email that you are sending to a person in a position of authority, that is your boss. For example, writing a formal email is similar to writing a formal letter with the same structure, salutation, and sign off. So mostly this formal letter or formal mail are sent to the companies or government departments or offices. An informal mail, an informal email is written to any relatives, family or friends. Here we don't want to follow the same structure, rules or regulations. So there are no particular rules for informal email writing. A person can use any language of his or her choice. So how to compose the email? So here I want to write in the from the sender's mail ID to the receiver's mail ID, and what purpose we are writing in the subject line, what purpose we are writing the letter, and in compose email the main detail of the information. So here is the model from sender's mail ID to receiver's mail ID. If there is CC, the number of recipients are more, then CC will be included. That is other concerned persons with receivable email ID. And BCC also, there is other concerned person with invisible email IDs. In the subject, reason for writing the mail, and in main body, the content of the email. Here, all the details will be included. The first initial, there is a greeting or salutations. There is display with respected. There is respected sir, respected madam, dear sir, or dear ma'am, just like. After that, the introduction part of the content. In the next para, discuss the matter in detail, what we want to going to intend there. And in the final part, the concluding stage, concluding the information, concluding the content. In the closing line, thank you for the consideration. And if any attachments, attach reference files. And in the last signature lines, name and content details. Thank you.